If your website looks unprofessional, it's probably not your code. These are some of the mistakes a lot of web developer makes when they are making a website. Mistake number 1, bad spacing. See how everything is looking squeezed together, there's no breathing space, so everything feels clustered. Now look at the next image. Compared to the first one, you can see that everything is looking well spaced. You can read what is going on in the second image. This is called good spacing. Mistake number 2, bad typography. Yeah, the text sizes are all over the place. There's no clear structure. You can't even know which text is important on this website. In this next image, you can see the clean typography going on here. You can clearly see what is important. You can see a perfectly sized header, a paragraph that is describing the content of that website. Mistake number 3, bad layout. From this image, you can see how confusing the layout is. You don't even know what the website is about because of how unorganized it looks. In the next image, you can see how good the layout is. Everything is being done on a clean section. This one guides your attention naturally from top to bottom. You can understand what is going on this website. Mistake number 4, bad colors. In this image, you can see too many colors fighting for attention. It just looks messy. Too many unnecessary colors on your website makes your website looks unprofessional. The next image uses simple colors like this to make it feel clean and easy to look at. This is how professionals use colors on their website. Most of the time, it's not about doing more. It's about doing the basic things that makes your website feels professional. So that's all when it comes to having the light layout, colors, and all that for your website to be responsive and professional. So please guys, don't forget to like, follow for more content like this. And if you're here to build a professional responsive website, I'm the right person for you.